Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Within Reach, your go-to channel for all things machine learning and AI. Today we're starting a new series called Rapid R. Our goal is to create tutorials that take less than 3 minutes. That's easy, right? Our focus is on essential R concepts. This episode is kind of a reference. We're going to learn how to use R as a calculator. So let's dive in. First, let's start with the basic arithmetic operations in R. You can perform all of the basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here's a quick example. Addition uses the plus symbol, subtraction uses the minus symbol, multiplication uses the asterisk, similar to Python, and division uses the slash, like basically any other programming language. And this code here will output the results of the basic arithmetic operations. Exponents and mods. So now we're going to talk about exponents and modulus. To raise a number to a power, use the exponent operator, which is a caret symbol. For the modulus, which gives the remainder of a division, remember, like grade school, use the percentage operator. This code will output the results of an exponent and a modulus. Finally, remember that R follows the standard order of operations. PEMDAS. Google it. To prioritize certain operations, just use parentheses. In this example, you can see that we have a multiplication and an addition. And if you want to do the addition before the multiplication, you got to put it in parentheses. And that's it. In substantially less than 3 minutes, you now have a handy reference on how to use R as a basic calculator. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more R tutorials. And hey, leave a comment if you have any questions or would like me to cover anything in particular in the future. Thanks so much!